Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a Lego review of Lego Technic Land Rover Defender set 42110 from 2023 to 2024. And as you can see, the Land Rover Defender has this winch that can actually move, and also you can open the bonnet and the doors can open. Also side mirrors can move. And also the steering wheel can turn with the wheels. And also the back door can open up. Then close it. The back door locks again. And also you have the storage compartment on the side. And also you have this travel bag on the top. And also you have this ladder, so a minifigure or action figure can climb up to take the luggage off the roof. And at the top you have an extra steering wheel. Also, cassette doors can open. And you can put the Land Rover in high or low range. And also you can change the gears from neutral to reverse. would say this Land Rover Defender is big enough for your smaller action figures to fit in. And as you can see, it's got this beautiful headlights in the front, and also the tail lights as you would see on the newer Land Rover Defender. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the links to my videos if toy companies want to contact me for future sponsorships. My email is in a link in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.